let me show you how to create built-in PDFs for every form submission here on Jotform. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to create built-in PDFs for every form submission. This is going to be super easy because most of it will be done automatically. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about right now. This is my main workspace and I'm going to create a brand new form because you'll see that a PDF is created every single time. So let's go ahead and use a brand new form. I'm going to use a template for this purpose and I'm going to use this one for testing purposes. So let's go ahead and select this one. Here we go. And this is going to open up the Jotform builder. Now in this case, I can jump into the top settings over here and I can create a custom PDF in case I don't want to use the default one. But in this case, I'll use the one that's meant for default. Now you'll find settings to attach the PDF in the emails in the settings section in the emails, and we'll find that over here for the notification and the autoresponder. For example, I'll jump into edit and I'll jump over to the advanced settings and I'll attach the PDF right here. This will now send the PDF in the email notification. And you can see here, there's a PDF document already created automatically by Jotform. That's a built-in PDF that's going to be sent over every time that a submission is made automatically. Okay. Now, but if you want to attach this to the email, go ahead and turn this on. Okay. Let's go ahead and save this email. And if you want to send it to the autoresponder, go ahead and click on edit, advanced options, and attach the PDF. Okay. Here we go. If we set this to preview form and we fill this out, it's going to submit the form and it's also going to create the built-in PDF from this submission. So that's now sent over. I can go ahead and go into my inbox and find that PDF. So let's go into the inbox. Here we go. And you can see here, go to the options. I click on download and I can download the print version, which is a PDF. I can also customize the PDF right here, or I can go into the PDF editor in case I want to customize that PDF that's going to be created every single time that a form is submitted. So if I don't want to use the default one, which is this one, I can go ahead and create a brand new PDF and select that one to be sent out in the emails. So you can use a default layout, use a custom template, or clone an existing PDF. For example, I can use the default one and I can customize it straight from here by changing the elements that are going to be displayed, the header, the footer, the style over here with the PDF designer. So I have a lot of options available to customize the PDF and send this one with the built-in PDF that's going to be sent out automatically every single time that a form is submitted. So it's super easy and practical to have a PDF generated because it's going to be done automatically. And if you want to have a customized one, that is possible too here in the PDF editor on Jotform. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the built-in PDF and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.